Everyone says start investing early. Buy stocks, buy crypto, buy real estate. But what if you don't even have enough money to invest? The rich solve this problem very differently. Before they invest, they buy one powerful asset first, and most beginners completely ignore it. Here's what usually happens. A beginner watches investing videos, gets excited, and puts a small amount of money into the market. Maybe $50, maybe $100. Then the market drops. Fear starts. They panic and quit. Not because investing is bad, but because they were never financially ready. Wealthy people don't rush to invest tiny money. They first ask, how can I increase my earning power? Because investing $100 grows slowly. But increasing income from $500 to $2,000 per month changes your entire investing future. They focus on building human capital first. The first asset beginners should buy is a skill that increases income. Not stocks, not crypto, not even real estate. A valuable skill, because skills create cash flow, and cash flow creates investing power. Think about it. A person earning $300 per month can only invest small, but someone earning $2,000 per month can build wealth much faster. Social media makes investing look easy. People show profits, luxury, fast success. But what they don't show is how long they spent building income first. When beginners skip this step, they become emotional investors. They sell during fear, they buy during hype, and this destroys wealth before it even begins. So what should beginners actually do? Step 1, learn a valuable income skill. Step 2, build emergency savings. Step 3, start small, investing consistently. This way, you invest with confidence, not fear, and wealth becomes a system, not a gamble. Most beginners focus on where to invest. Smart beginners focus on becoming someone who can invest more. The first asset is not in the market, it's inside you. And in the next video, I'll show you the safest investment beginners can start today. Subscribe now because that decision could change your financial future.